Welcome to all. What I am going to explain is the lasso tool. This tool is majorly using for selection. So I previous videos somewhere I have explained this tool. How to do a selection. I want to cut this and paste it on this image. How to do that? First you need to think about what the areas you need to be cut. So I am starting from here. So this is not correct. I'm just pressing backspace. Then correct anchor point I am putting here. Then I am putting here, here. I'm just cutting from up to here. Any anchor point you put remove it, just click it. You can remove it. I just go back. I'll take it from here. Now you can control press plus, you can zoom it. Then precisely you can click on that. This will take little bit of time. You want precision. Here you need to change the anchor point. Again you need to click it. So precisely you can click on each and every. So now you can understand how easy this tool you can work. I'm backspace I'm doing. I'm little bit close. Clicking here, clicking here, clicking. Here one edge is there. If you want to zoom little bit, you can zoom it. Then click it. Then spacebar it will go down. Again. I'm just selecting this. Press enter, it will be. If you are done at this much big selection, better to select save selection. Then you can put it as house. Control minus minus. Then you can check it's I am selected correctly or not. So here is a sharp edge is there. What you can do, take again lasso. Then shift. Again I am subtracting this a little bit. This corner also I am subtracting. No, it is not perfect. Again alt, I am subtracting. Okay, now I think that I perfectly cut this. Again, select save selection. House 2. I made some changes. Okay, now I am selecting the feather. Feather I am taking only 3. Okay, and Control X. Control, select the layer, Control X. Now I am moving to here, I am placing here. Now it is bigger, so I am selecting Control T. I am reducing. Okay, I am a little bit bigger. Okay, I need to little bit more cut the road that I am not done. Okay, so what I need to do here, I am little bit bigger. Again, I will make it big. Okay, now it's okay. Now, see, I perfectly cut from there to here. Okay, I'm reduced the size little bit. You can see some issues in these areas. So what you can do, you can go here. Okay, you can select the brush tool. Then you can select the background color. So alt and click the color you will get. You can see. No, so this is a brush, sorry. This is a brush tool. Then alt and click. You got that. Reduce the size. Again, you zoom it very full zoom. Then you can paint it on the one more layer you can add. Very gently you can paint it, and speed I am doing. So I paint it very smoothly here. What you need to do, reduce opacity. Okay, otherwise you can do one more option. You can select here. Again, lasso tool you can take it. Then you can one or two pixels you can remove it. I need to click somewhere here. Okay. I need to click. Then you can remove that. Come back to this layer, then remove it. But I am not thinking it's not perfect that much, but control D. So this is a way also you can do, that way also you can do. But here again you need to reduce the zoom, but it is not perfect. That is not working out. 90% you need to cut here. Again you need to cut only one way. You can come here, again polygon lasso tool. Then you take it from here, take it up to here. I think this pointing area we can remove it. Okay, then the pointing area we can remove again. Take here, remove it. Again we can remove from here, here. Then control D, control plus plus. So this is a way exactly you can see. This is a one, you can cut it and easily you can cut it. And you can think about that once is a polygon tool is there. You think about I am going to cut this. How you can cut this with use polygon tool? You can do that. That's why I am saying this tool is more powerful than any other tools. Initially, when I start my career, we are only using this tool, no other tools. How can you do that? Just select it. It would take a lot of time, but I am showing how can you cut the circle also. Initial my career, I am working on Photoshop more than 20 years. So from Photoshop 4.0, I started working. You see that this is a way we need to put close the anchor points. I'm not doing, but you take the time and precisely you can cut it. Now you cut it. This is possible to cut and you can paste it somewhere. I'm pasting here. Control D, I'm pasting here. See, this apple also cut very nicely. And I'm not feathering done. If you are do the feathering, otherwise take the uh, what you can say the blur tool. You can blur it on edges. I'm making bigger, so you can easily do that. See any object. What I am saying is, if I am selected something like this, then this is the way you are selected. But you want to precisely you want to remove this area. So again, you take the lasso tool. You can use Alt. Then you can zoom it that area using this tool, zoom tool. Then what you need to do? Select again lasso tool plus Alt. Remove. I want window need to be removed, so I can remove it. Then again, you can precisely you can remove everything. Mistake your hand is moved like this, don't worry. Again you take it shift, then you can again you can selection, you can do that. So this tool again you can select alt. So this is a way I worked my beginning of life. It was very successful. You can use lasso tool and Polygon lasso tool for your entire work. And precisely you can cut anything using this. I'll also check some other men images are also there. See again, this also you can cut perfectly. I'll only cut the hand. Okay, shoulder and hand. See again, this is a jagged edges and means bumps, everything is there. But how can you cut again? Polygon also tool. I'm selecting here, so it is not. It's on the edge. How much anchor point you closely will do, that much perfect you can cut it. I'm speed I'm doing, but for explanation, you can upload all these images. You can just I mistakenly put it again. Then here, and done. Now it is almost same. Then feather, take it as 3 or 4, anything how much you want, cut it. Then I am going to here, I am pasting it. See, this area I cut perfectly, you can see that. So this is a way you can easily cut all the areas in the image. And only thing, main tool when you are working for a cutting, that is lasso tool. And Polygon lasso tool and lasso tool. Other tools are you can use it. I am not saying it's not bad tool, but more things you can do like. Then one more way we can also work the same thing, but I'll show you. I'm not able to see that. Okay, see, I'm copy pasting this, cutting this image. So any object anywhere. So I am pasting here. So what I am going to do means again I am taking the polygon lasso tool. I am not going for entire area tool. I am just selecting here. Then I am double click control plus plus. Then I am precisely going, okay, these are the areas I need to cut it properly. Then I am cutting here, I am delete. Control D. Again I am coming here, clicking here, clicking here. Then again putting anchor point. Very precisely I am putting the anchor point. This is better than any other tools. I think nobody Photoshop teachers will not teach. They will teach remove the background, all other things. This is the best way to work. See, and you can see one small bump is here. You can come and zoom and check that. Okay, small bump is here. What you can do again? You can see. Then come zoom out. You can check. So this is a way. And again, if you want to cut this again, the same way. Control plus plus. You need to check here. See. People think that this is not possible with the polygon tool, but you can easily do with polygon tool, polygon lasso tool. Sorry, this is the power of this tool. You see that how it is look like. See how easily you can do the cutting. This is perfect than any other tools. Whatever the tools Adobe is offering, lasso tool, you need to take a time and cut the tool. This is a way we used to cut the images. We will very rarely we will use other tools because the perfection you will get only this tool. Lasso tool plus uh, polygon lasso tool. Here also you can immediately you can use lasso tool. You can quickly you can cut it. Again shift whatever the areas are there, then you can cut immediately. Then plus, okay, then I delete it. Then I'll go for polygon lasso tool. Then again I'll take polygon lasso tool. Then precisely we'll check where I need to cut. I click here, click here, click here. Okay, then this is the area. Again, that is not right. Again, we need to go. You need to put the anchor point more in where the bumps and curves and everything is. Now you see. And if you have some, okay, any other, you want some, if you want some blurring, you can see the blurring on that area. The feather will can give. So it is perfect. And here also a little bit feathering. Not feathering, blur on the edge pixels. So this is a way perfect cutting. Whatever the tools I explained, these are the tools you can use. You are not a professional. If you want to become a very professional, use Polygon lasso. Then you can cut anything. See, and if I'll cut, I'll do this layer to another. Where is the house? Okay, cut it, place it here. You see that it's merging with any background. You cannot see any mistake there. Whereas I cut that area. Thank you for watching. Understand that the best tool for cutting is Polygon lasso tool and lasso tool.